Hello and welcome to this presentation where we'll be talking you through our new dkbMARKETS Cloud Trade account. We'll be walking you through how to open a Cloud Trade account, what the Cloud Trade account consists of, and also how you can use the trading platform. So let's kick off with that. So we'll start off by going to our website, www.dkbmarkets.com. So if you go to our website, dkbmarkets.com, there on our website, all the information you need regarding dkbMARKETS and the trading platform can be found on the website. So let's start with that. So you can see there under the heading Trading. Let's go through each of the tabs. Obviously, this is the home page, and you can see on the home page you can go straight ahead and open a live Cloud Trade account, and our contact details are there. The Cloud Trade account, the unique thing about our Cloud Trade account is that it's web-based, so you don't need to download any softwares onto your computer. So being a Cloud Trade account, and you can access it anywhere. So you can access your trading account and trade from anywhere. All you need is internet access. So once you just log on, go to the website, log on to your account, and you can trade from anywhere. So that's the big advantage of our Cloud Trade platform, is the fact that you can trade in internet cafes. All you just need is a internet browser, a web page, and you can log straight into your account. And it also comes with a Cloud Trade app, which also you can access via an app on your mobile device. So if we go to the trading, you can see that if you click on trading, it tells you the asset classes you can trade on the platform. So let's select that. So under the asset classes, it shows you the kind of markets you can trade on the Cloud Trade platform, or dkbMARKETS Cloud Trade platform. So you can see you can trade equities, stocks and shares. So you can trade UK, US, and European stocks and shares. So that's under equities. You can also trade commodities, and of course you can trade foreign exchange. Obviously, for more details, you can just click on the tab. That will give you more details about that. So you can see equities can be bought and sold on stocks and shares in the US, UK, and major European markets. And also you can buy long or buy short. So you can either go long or go short on the equities. You also have the commodities that you can trade, and of course the major currency pairs. So again, you've got more asset classes that you can trade on our Cloud Trade platform. So if we go back to trading, let's go to the Cloud Trade platform itself. So select the Cloud Trade platform. So on the Cloud Trading platform, it tells you a bit about our new Cloud Trade platform and what you can do with the Cloud Trade platform. And like I said, the fact that it's a Cloud Trade platform, you can access it anywhere. All you need is just internet access, and you can use it on anyone's computer, anyone's laptop, internet cafes. All you just need is an internet browser to log into your account and trade. And you can then obviously sign up and log into and create an account. So you can see you can create a live account, or you can create a demo account. And you can do both. So you can open a live and a demo account if you want. And again, we have a user manual here. So if you click on user manual, let's do that now. So if you select user manual, that gives you access to the user guide on how to use our Cloud Trade platform. So there's a detailed manual there that gives you details of how to use the Cloud Trade platform. So let's go back to the site. And also, once you've opened an account, you can log in going through this link here, the user login, to log into your account and trade. But I'll tell you later about the direct link you can use to access your account anywhere. So to sign up for an account, all you just need to do is put in your name and email address, your phone number, and then select either a demo account or a live account. So let's do that. So let's put here John Smith. So John Smith, and then we'll put here John Smith at gmail.com, and your phone number. So, and then you can, like I said, select either a live account or a demo account. So if you want to open a live account, you just select live account. And the application form will then come up. There you go. And that's the application form. So you just create a new account, and again you begin to fill in your details. You know, let's say Mr. and then John Smith. Then you select obviously you create your username. This is the username you're going to use to log into your account once your account has been created. So you create your own username. So I'll just put the username. Obviously you create a unique username, and then you put in your email, John Smith, and then obviously you create your own password. So you fill in your password and then confirm your password. So make sure you note the username you've chosen to create your account and also the password. So you create your username and your password, which will be unique to you, and you create it yourself. And then once you fill that in, you click on next and just continue to fill out the application form till you've completed the application form. Now, once you've completed the application form and you filled it out, like say you go to next, keep on filling out the application form. Once it's complete, you'll get an email saying that you've applied for an account. And let me just show you the email you'll receive. So you then receive an email like this, where it will say you should upload your documents, because we need to have a proof of ID and proof of address before your account can be approved. So you'll receive an email like this once you've finished your online application. The email will come saying dkbMARKETS document upload, and it gives you details of the sort of documentation we need to approve your account. So you read through the email, and you can see there you can upload your documents to the link provided. So you can see there's a link there. So if you click on that link, that link takes you to the web page for you to upload your document. Oops, sorry, I clicked on it twice. But yeah, so if you click on that link, it will then take you to the web page where you can then upload your documents. And once you've uploaded your documents and your documents are all correct, your account will be opened and activated within 24 to 48 hours. So within 24 to 48 hours of you uploading your documents, your account will be activated and approved. And once your account has been activated and approved, you will then receive this welcome email, the dkbMARKETS welcome email. And in the welcome email, you can see your account ID. It tells you that your account has been approved and activated. And then, of course, you can see your account username that you created. And, of course, it will not put in there your password, because the password is only you will know your password. And this password is unique to you. So that's the password you will use to log into your account. And, of course, you can see to access your cloud trade platform, you can just go directly to this link, the cloudtrade.dkbmarkets.com link, and then you can use that to access your account from anywhere using that link. So let's go to that link. So we'll just click on that link, and that brings you to this web page, the cloudtrade.dkbmarkets.com web page. Like I said, with this link, you can access your account from anywhere. All you just need is an internet access and an internet browser. And there you go, you can log into your account. So you fill in your login, your username and your password, and then you just log into your account. So this is just a demo account just to show you how this works. So once you've logged into your account, you can see here where it says Market Explorer. So it shows you all the markets you can trade on the platform. You can trade indices. You can trade, the FX pairs. And again, you can trade UK shares. And of course, you can trade US shares and European shares. And of course, you've got energy and metals there, so you can trade them. Then you've got the popular markets tab where you have the popular markets that you can trade. But of course, you can create your own watch list of markets that you want to trade or watch. So you can create your own watch list and populate your own watch list. And then below here, you have where you have this tab, the open positions. So it gives you details of your live trade. So you can see here, I've got a trade on Apple computers, so you can have open positions there. There's this opening orders where you have a record of your pending orders. And then your transaction history, this gives you the details of all the trades you've been placing on your account. You also have the activity history of what's been happening in your account, and then information about your account. Now, the good thing about this platform is that wherever you see a trade, all the details about the trade are there. So you can see that this is a buy trade, the amount that's been bought, the opening price, the current price, the profit and loss will be there, and the margin you need for the trade will also be there. Now, when you go to your watch list or to the popular markets, whichever way you choose, this also gives you details of each of the markets you're trading. So let's use the dollar yen as an example. So that's the dollar yen, where you can either trade them. So you can go to the trade tab there. So you can then place the trade. And then if you want to bring up a chart, you click on the chart. But before we go to the chart, what I want to show you here is this I button. You can see this I button next to each of the markets. This I button gives you details of that market. So for the dollar yen, I will click on the I, and you can see here it gives you information about the dollar yen. So it tells you the hours that it trades. It trades at London time. So this platform uses the London time. It tells you the spread or the commission and guarantee stop you can use, the minimum tradable unit, so it gives you all the details you need about that market. So let's try Apple itself. So let's use Apple. So say for instance you want to trade Apple shares or any stocks in shares. Again, let's go to the I. So that I button again gives you details about Apple computers. So you can see the trading hours. Again, London time is from 2:30 till 9 p.m. London time. That's when you can trade this Apple shares. It gives you the commission of the spread and all the details you need about Apple shares. So again, all this is quite important to use all the information you can get on the market. Okay. Now, if you want to bring up a chart, like I said, next to the market, there is this icon there of the chart. So if you click on that charting software there, so I'll just click on that. So that'll bring up the charting software. It takes some time to load. So there you go. So that's the charting software that's loaded. Of course, you can expand the chart by clicking on that to open it in a new browser. So click on that tab to open it into a new browser. And there you have your charting software. And you can then play around with the charting software. So you can see the plus and minus button here, so you can make the chart small or you can make it bigger. So you can do that. Of course, if you click on the vertical column here, if you click and hold, you can drag it down to compress it, and then click, hold, and drag it up. So you can move it up and down. Of course, you can see you've got various things you can also do. You can see the time frames here, so you can see 1 minute, 2, 3, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So you can change the time frames. So let's go to 5 minutes. So we change that to so this is now a 5-minute time frame. You can go to 1 hour time frame, and of course you can go to a daily time frame or weekly time frame. So again, you can change the time frames at the bottom there. Again, you can see views. So under the views, you can save the view. So you can first decide how you want your charting software to look, and then afterwards you can save the view. Under displays, it gives you can change the candle to a bar chart or to a color chart. So under the display, you can change your display of the chart and how you want it to be. So you can do all that. Then of course there's studies. So if you want to add indicators to your chart, you can do that under studies here. So let's try adding 2 indicators, for example. So let's add 2 common ones, for example, pivot points and moving averages. So let's go to pivot points. So look for P. So there you go, pivot points. I'll select pivot points, and then you can see the pivot point has been added to the chart. Of course, as we know, pivot points are used for day trading. So I usually use a 5-minute time frame for my day trading. So I'll select 5 minutes. Excuse me. And there you have your pivot points there on the time frame. And if you want to find out the details of the pivot point, you can select this cross here. So if you can select the cross here there, and then you move your cursor over your chart, you can see on the box there, it gives you the details of the pivot point. So you can see the pivot point levels can be shown in the box there. So you just have to click the crosshairs there, just move that box over your chart, and it gives you your pivot point, resistance 1, support 1, resistance 2, support 2, resistance 3. So you can have that on your chart. Now that we've added the pivot points to the chart, again you can go back to display, and then under display you can if you want to change the color setting for your pivot points, you can just right click over the pivot points, right click, and then select edit settings. And then if you want to change the colors, you can do that. Usually for my pivot point, I usually use the yellow color, so I can select yellow. Then the resistance, I use red, so I'll leave that as red. Support, I use green, so I'll change that to red. Support to green. There we go. So you can see I've got my pivot points as yellow, my resistance levels as red, my support levels as green. Select done. So again, you can also do that with the charting software. You can change the colors of your pivot points. Let's add another study. Let's go to moving averages. So you select study, and then select moving averages. And again, you can change your moving average period to what you want. So I usually use moving average 50. Also, you can change the color. So you can again do all that if you want. And I'll select done. So there we have my moving averages. So basically with your charting software, you can populate it to how you like it to be populated. Add whichever indicators you want to add using studies there. And then afterwards you can select view and then save the view. So I can save it as Dr. Forex, so that's saved. And again, like I said, when you go to the website, let's go back to the website. So again, always remember, if you go to the website, go to the trading section, go to Cloud Trade Platform. And then under Cloud Trade Platform at the bottom there, you can select User Manual. And then that again gives you full details of. Obviously, you can download this. It's a PDF file, so you can download it and then read in detail how you can get full use of the platform and how to use it well and get the full functions of the platform. It's all there. Okay, so that's in a nutshell is all about our new platform, the dkbMARKETS platform, which again, like I said, you can use anywhere. It also comes with an app, the app which you can use on your mobile device. Like I said, the good thing about it is that you don't need to download any softwares or worry about crashes of your computer, because it's all web-based. So you can just log in and log out of your account anywhere and trade anywhere. Of course, once your trades have been placed or your orders have been placed, they're onto the DKB Market server. So once you log out of your account, you don't need to worry. Your trades will still be on. The fact that you've logged out of your account doesn't mean the end of your trade. They'll still be on, and they'll still be as you've instructed your trades to be. So you can log in and log out and place your trades anytime from your mobile device with the app, or from an internet browser by logging into your account. Okay, so for further details, if you need any further details, you can email us at info@dkbmarkets.com. Like I said, you've got full details about what we do on our website at dkbmarkets.com. We're on Facebook. We're on all the social media platforms. We're on Facebook. The handles are all the same for the social media platforms, which is DKB Markets. So we're on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And like I say, all the handles are DKB Markets. So thank you and happy trading.